required to solve for x here. In order to do this, the first step is to find the multiples of 72, after which we take the logarithm to the base of whatever is raised to the power x. So we have 4 to the power x to be equal to 4 times 18. Okay, so this is the multiple of 72. Now, let's take the logarithm to base 4 of both sides. So we have logarithm to the base 4 of 4 to the power x to be equal to logarithm to base 4 of 4 times 18. Okay, now when you have something like this in logarithm, you simply multiply this power times the log and eradicate this from here. So we have power times log. Okay, now x has left here and it has gone and multiplied. So we have here log in base 4 of 4 times 18. Log in base b of a times c is equal to log in base b of a plus log in base b of c. For this one, we have log in base 4 of 4 plus log in base 4 of 18. Now, moving on from here, we have x. Log in base 4 of 4 is 1, so we have x left here. Log in base 4 of 4 is 1 plus log in base 4 of 18. You can either stop here or you can go ahead to simplify further, which I'll do just to show you guys. X is equal to 1 plus log base 4 of 18 can be expressed as log to base 4 is 2 squared multiplied by 18 can be written as 2 times 9. Okay, so we have 2 times 9. Again, you can split this thing up, so we have x to be equal to 1 plus, now for here we can say log in base 2 of 2 to the log in base 2 to the power 2 of 2 times 9, we can say it's equal to half times log in base 2 of 2 times 9. Again, recall that when this is multiplication, we can split and add. So we have x to be equal to 1 plus half multiplied by log in base 2 of 2 plus log in base 2 of 9. Okay. Now we have x to be equal to 1 plus half multiplied by 1 plus log in base 2 of 9. So this becomes your final bus stop in this question. Thanks for watching. I hope it made sense. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.